Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on replacing the trigger of your Dyson V10 vacuum. This procedure can enhance the vacuum's performance and extend its lifespan. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You will require a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. First, ensure your Dyson V10 is unplugged and completely powered off. Begin by removing the battery pack. To do this, locate the release button on the back of the vacuum and press it while pulling the battery away. This step is crucial for your safety. Next, use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the two screws located at the base of the trigger assembly. Be cautious as these screws can be small and easy to misplace. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum repaired safely and conveniently. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the trigger away from the body of the vacuum. You may notice some internal components that could use a cleaning. Now is a great time to use your tweezers to remove any debris or hair that may have accumulated inside the trigger area. This will not only help with the function but also improve the overall hygiene of your vacuum. With the area cleaned, it's time to install the new trigger. Take your replacement trigger and align it with the assembly. Ensure that all the clips are properly seated before proceeding to secure it with screws. If you experience any difficulty, you can always reach out for professional diagnosis without obligation. After securing the trigger, reinsert the two screws, making sure they are tightened but not over-torqued, as this can strip the plastic. Once all screws are in place, reattach the battery pack by sliding it back into its compartment until you hear a click. Now, it's time for a quick test. Turn your Dyson V10 back on and test the trigger to ensure it engages smoothly. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the trigger. If you find that the vacuum is still not operating as expected, we recommend getting a quote before repair, as our team can provide insights into any further issues. Our service is designed to be hassle-free, with no calls and no travel required. You can easily get your vacuum serviced right from the comfort of your home. Keep your Dyson V10 in top shape by regularly checking for wear and tear, and don't hesitate to reach out for assistance whenever needed. Thank you for following along, and we hope this guide helps you maintain your Dyson efficiently. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.